God!
Oh! Oh, it's so bad.
That's his brain, dude.
Oops. Ow.
Fireworks have been around for centuries, and they're a great way to celebrate your local holidays. 4th of July is coming up very soon here in the United States.
And with a whole lot of celebration comes a whole lot of safety.
That's for sure.
There were nearly 10,000 firework accidents in the United States in 2023. So today, we're gonna look at how to make sure none of our lovely subscribers are any of those 10,000.
Or if you're morbid enough to be curious about what that looks like.
Or that.
We're gonna test it out on some products from Ballistic Dummy Lab, as well as a couple other fun things. Once we've seen how these fireworks explode during the daytime, we're gonna wait till night, set off some fireworks, get a nice, colorful, bright, vibrant show. I guess just enjoy the show. Welcome back to Ballistic High Speed.
All right, starting out small, we have a single firecracker. I'm pretty sure everybody's bought these at one point. We're just gonna kind of wedge it in here. We're not gonna drill, we're not gonna do anything. It's just gonna be basically if you just held on to it, which do not do. And then we're gonna get to the fun stuff, because we all wanna go big, right? Yes, you wanna go big and you wanna go hit that subscribe button. Something you should never do, holding on to a firecracker. That's about what we expected.
All right, nothing crazy. I'm expecting the most minuscule explosion. Oh, it's a little boom.
I would not want that in my hand.
Okay, getting some jiggling through the hand, so there's something going on. I think we just need to go look at it, because it's hard to tell from here what actually happened.
More than I expected, though. I mean, I definitely wouldn't want that.
You'd get some burns for sure.
Yeah.
Maybe lose a little bit of skin at most.
Probably. But let's say you had some extra change in your pocket and you bought yourself something a little bigger. This one, we are actually going to like try and drill a hole and get this inside.
I expect to see this go away.
Oh yeah. All right, moving upwards in things that you shouldn't do at home.
I think all the fingers go away.
I think this whole hand's going away.
Probably.
But I'm not lighting it until they hit subscribe.
Okay, they clicked it.
Okay. Oh!
Oh my goodness.
I saw one go flying right over all your cameras and everything.
Yeah?
Yeah, a big chunk.
There's the puck. That's all that's left. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Yeah, don't hold on to those.
Each piece of the bones is its own fragment.
Look, that's all of the skin off.
Is that what you saw flying towards me?
Yep.
Look at all that gel. Yeah. Okay, so don't hold firecrackers, especially the large ones.
Granted, your hand is stronger than these gel ones, but I'm betting that at least takes fingers off. Alrighty, we gotta give a big shout out to Hometown Fireworks in Huntington, Indiana. They hooked us up with most of these fireworks. I have a couple that I've found elsewhere with my licenses.
The spicier ones?
Yeah, the little spicier ones. They have a location in Huntington, Indiana and in North Manchester, Indiana. Moving on, we are going to simulate what would happen if you left your hand over the mortar tube. Ballistic Dummy Lab sent these out, and if you wanted to mess around with these, but they were maybe just a little too expensive, 4th of July sale.
Go, go, go.
Go buy some.
Yep.
They are so much fun. I would not be surprised if one of these fingers comes off.
You think so?
Yep.
I bet this hand just flies over your backstop.
Yeah, I'll be curious how far this thing goes.
All right, let's go.
All right, this is us doing sketchy stuff so you don't have to at home.
Don't try this at home.
Do not try this at home.
Go to your friend's house.
We're professionals.
Oh!
Yeah! Dude, I saw some height on that hand.
It's so smoky. Is that a finger? I can't tell what I'm looking at. Look how stretched that is.
Oh, it's bad. I bet a finger came off.
We need to go look at that in person.
Yeah.
That looked charred.
Couldn't see much in the slow-mo. Ow. Ow.
Why is he Spock?
Live long and prosper.
Are those broken inside? Can you tell?
No, this one is in many places, and the pinky's the wrong direction. Wow. Yeah, you definitely don't want to do that. Couldn't see much in the slow-mo, but
No.
I think you get the idea.
So don't do that.
I mean, come on, kids. Same hand, we've increased the amount of standoff, and we're gonna add some leaf blower wind to hopefully clear some of the smoke out, because we couldn't see a whole lot.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, definitely don't do that. Oh yeah! Could you tell with the naked eye if it was any better?
Not really.
I think the hand went higher. Oh yeah!
Oh God! I'm hoping height plus wind will do something. It looks marginally better. Oh, look how much it pulled the hand before the fingers went.
Oh yeah.
Okay, worth it to get that shot though. Worth the try though.
Yeah.
I think we busted up the hand even more though.
Oops. Ow. You can tell that it was like re-liquefied, which means this was hot, hot,
sure.
hot.
Based on the high speed, it's been a while in the flames.
Yeah.
Damn.
Wonder what that's like.
I can smell. Okay, you're done.
This is what we were trying to answer.
I think we answered it.
So this is why
You don't put your hand over a mortar.
Safety.
And then science.
And then safety first, science second. What do we want to do next? Hey, the good news is this is the finger that he would need to hit subscribe.
That's true.
Up next, Roman candles. Some of you more rambunctious rapscallions may have used these in an inappropriate manner, and maybe you shot them at your friends. I know I used to. Anyway, so we're gonna see what that looks like. We put some Wiley X's on them right here. These are probably the best eyewear you can get, is what we trust with our range. Some of you ran into us in Dallas. We actually got to go to their laboratory and check out how they make these. We shot a baseball at it at like 100 miles an hour and it just bounced up. It's crazy. Anyway, go check out Wiley X. We're just gonna shoot some Roman candles at them. Oh my gosh. What are those, high? Oh! Oh, that was one.
Oh God.
Oh, that was one. I think that was the shot. Did you trigger it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh, those are bigger than I would have expected.
Oh wow. Oh, nailed it. Wow.
That's exactly what we wanted. All right, well, as we can see, I hit him here. So, I'm telling you, these are just insanely good glasses.
Still fit okay?
Yeah, and they look good.
So it looks like some of the flames got over the edge of the...
Yep, took some to the brow. I don't see anything broken or anything.
But if you see how much those glasses flexed in the high speed, that would have taken your eye out.
Yeah,
You'd lose your eye.
Okay, cool. So let's do it bare
Yeah.
and see what that looks like. If I can aim it. They're hard to aim because you're not supposed to hold them in your hands.
This is true.
I'm watching you.
This hand thing.
Alrighty, since Wiley X is too good of a product, we didn't get to see any damage. So we're just gonna shoot the back of this guy's head because we have something else planned for the front. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Ow.
Oh no.
Ouch.
It's like a little mini explosion on impact.
Ouch.
So don't do that to your friend.
Not you. If somebody does that to you, they're not your friend.
Oh no.
But we definitely hit here.
You hit there twice, I think.
I did. Okay, it didn't crack the skull.
No?
It's a laceration. That's in the skin.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Burns, you're gonna lose hair. I wouldn't be surprised that knocks you out. Those look like pretty hard impacts. So now we know. What's up, brother? Okay, so now we're gonna flip them around. We're gonna put the glasses back on, and we have one that
Barrage.
it has like 150 shots in it or something?
650.
650? Yeah. Okay. 650 shots.
All right, Wiley X.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Yeah, he got lit up.
Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted.
Got like raccoon eyes.
You'd lose your eyebrows and your mustache and burn your face, but your eyes would be totally okay.
Look how many, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean,
Chris has so much talent when he puts these things together. That's so cool.
we're gonna see what happens if you put your ear up to like you put your ear up to a shell to hear the ocean. So we took the accelerant charge out of this, so it's gonna, right where it sits, it's gonna just...
I guess in a more realistic circumstance, this is if your mortar tube fell over and launched it at you,
Yes.
and it happened to explode right next to your head, what would you expect?
When I was a little guy, I went to a fireworks show in Michigan. The main finale actually tipped over and it launched into the crowd. I remember running away, lady was running, and I watched her take one directly to the face and it blew up on her face.
So years later, you're now gonna see what would have happened.
Yes, I hope this is a green one because I remember that one being green.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what this is, but alrighty. Here we go. Oh my! Good night!
Oh.
The problem area is like right there. It's not so much here.
It's definitely... Just be quiet.
I don't think it broke the skull.
No? So not super crazy, but I mean, you'd lose your ear and you'd be deaf and knocked out. Wait, what is all this color? That wasn't there before.
Oh, is it?
Oh, it blew underneath it.
Oh, so that's why it's all loose and stuff. Yikes.
Okay.
I have those same ones that you can't just buy at a store.
The louder, stronger, better, possibly salute style ones.
Do we go just on the other side of his head?
Let's do it.
Okay.
May as well.
This could wind up being the exact same thing. I have no idea, but we're gonna do it. Oh.
Oh! Holy, where is he?
Oh.
Where is he?
He's way over there.
Oh.
I think it took all his skin off. Oh!
What?
Oh, it's so bad.
That's his brain, dude.
Oh.
This is graphic.
It blew his head in half.
Literally in half. Oh. This is too graphic to show on YouTube.
Oh. Oh my. Oh, it's just...
He's done. So much brighter. What the?
Oh.
What?
Holy smokes. Oh, look at him.
Oh no.
That's awesome.
That was way brighter than I thought it would be.
So definitely bigger. Okay, I think those were stronger.
So I guess apologies for not getting the high-speed exposure right. I didn't anticipate it being brighter than the sun.
Okay. So even though that was stronger, the way that it tipped over, because it had something backing it, that meant more of the energy had to go the other way. It was a larger detonation and it had some sort of a physical backing.
I mean, it kicked it over. And this is not a light block.
No, I mean, just listen to it. So I put a tail on your house.
A what?
A tail.
Sir, why is there a fuse coming out of my basement? I'm assuming there's a firework in there.
What are you, a cop? Yes, there's a firework in there.
This is gonna be a cool shot.
It's gonna be cool. So we've done this before, but it was with tannerite and we couldn't see anything.
Way too bright.
Way too bright. So now, firework.
Easy enough.
Okay.
So if there was a 30-foot long to scale firework in your house,
yes.
this is what it would look like.
Yes.
Oh God! Holy Jesus Christ!
We got a big chunk right at us.
This is why we have protection. Oh, that is so much better than the tannerite.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
That was much better.
You can kind of see the moment it's like too much.
You get the fractures too.
I've got a rocket and a watermelon, so I mean, you get it.
Oh, I heard that from here. Run!
I have no idea what to expect.
Oh, yes. Oh, God!
Holy!
Oh, God! It just eviscerated it.
It's gone!
Whoa.
It looks so cool.
That looks like a meteor impact on the Earth. Whoa. It just converts so much of it to steam.
Whoa. How cool is that?
This looks like C4 when you get those pockets of hot inside the black smoke.
Yep. That was sweet.
And then it's gone. Dude, that was good.
That was sweet. If you want to maybe study ballistic science, you can do so at sdi.edu. We will have them in the description and usually a pinned comment. Really cool. You can get your start in gunsmithing. We obviously like guns. You can learn how to do it safely, effectively, and you can make money doing it.
That's the best part.
Yeah.
So go sign up.
Yeah, go sign up. sdi.edu.
What's really interesting to see in this shot at 100,000 frames per second is the initial explosion causes a supersonic expansion of gas, which causes a serious drop in pressure or partial vacuum behind. And just milliseconds later, you can see some of those flames rushing back to fill that void because nature just hates vacuums. Just another example of insane detail you can see when you slow time down over 4,000 times.
Thanks for watching this episode. Thanks to Hometown Fireworks here in Huntington, Indiana and North Manchester for providing most of these fireworks today. Make sure you responsibly celebrate 4th of July this week.
And big shout out to Wiley X and Ballistic Dummy Lab and Aura for sponsoring episodes like this. You can't tell by all of these sticks that are all over the place now. Something happened over on Patreon
That can't quite be shown on YouTube.
that would never be able to go on the main channel here. So if you want to become a patron, go over there, check that out. They always get some sort of an extra shot. Stick around for nighttime. We have a bunch more fireworks to set off. Just see a really cool fireworks show.
Happy celebrating. We'll see you in the next episode. Something's happening.
Oh, sweet front
Did you
flip,
just break him?